Well, today we are going to learn how to create a program to manage grades for students. So, we are going to explain or try to explain each line of the code. The first thing that you need to do is create variables. So, we are going to create some comments, variables, to store numbers, and grades. The student name, course names, and the passing score. The next thing to do, we need to clear the data. So we are going to clean the data. And we are going to use this function. This function delete spaces or remove spaces. And after that, we are going to create the list of grades. After that, we are going to click to create a function to calculate the average of these grades. So, to calculate the average, we call the values. We start a new variable with 0, and for each number and the values, we're going to add these numbers to the total, and the total will be divided by the values, by the length of values. It means the number of values. Count of numbers. That will bring us an average. And after that, we are going to compare the average with the passing score. If the average is bigger or equal to the passing score, the student will approve. On the opposite side, he will fail. The final information that we need to see or we want to print, it's the name of the student, the course names, his grades, his average score, and the final outcome. That's pretty much. Now we are going to see how it works. We are going to run the code with F5, and here in the terminal we are going to see the name of the student, the course, his grades, his average score, and the final result or outcome. Let's see what happens if we increase the passing score. We're going to rerun the code. This time the student failed. I'm going to left the code if you need it or if you wanted to practice with it.